Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. All right, we're going to do our daily Bitcoin update here. It is Friday morning at about 5 o'clock in the morning. Yes, I do get up extremely early so I can get shit done. So, anyways, all right, here's what we've got. For those of you who have been watching, know that I believe we've got a one wave in, and we are working on our A, B, C down before we end up bottoming and bounce for our three wave to put in our two here and then our three wave up. So this structure from the top has been pretty sloppy and choppy, to say the least. It's not ideal price action from an Elliott wave standpoint, especially this whole little area down here. Clearly, this is some sort of a corrective consolidation with a lot of overlap. There's no clear, breakdown in an impulsive manner yet, besides kind of this little structure here. But let's go ahead and just hop into my primary count, which is that we have got this 1, 2, 3, a WXY for our 4, and we have now broken down into what I believe is our final fifth wave structure down, which would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking us anywhere from mid 24K or so would be where that count projects to currently. I have added back, for those of you guys who were watching this a week ago or so, I did have a ending diagonal on this, which now is this yellow count here, which would be that you have a 1, 2, 3, and then just an ABC 4, and then a 1, 2, possibly a 3 in here, and then you'll have a 4, which will have overlap of our 1, and then an A, B, C down to put in our fifth wave, and then a reversal there. That would take us, down to low 25K-ish or so. So, I mean, the targets are roughly the same. This count takes us down to, mid 24K. The ending diagonal would take us down to low 25K. So, $500 to $1,000 difference roughly is where these two targets would point to. And there's really not a fantastic way, I guess, of knowing. To me, this structure looks more impulsive here than it does an ABC. Now, I could certainly make an ABC out of it from an Elliott wave standpoint. This could just be an A, B, C. But I can also make a 5 wave out of it as well with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it's really hard to tell. Again, like I said at the beginning of this video, this price action has been pretty sloppy and choppy, and not, perfect from an Elliott wave standpoint to get a ideal count on this thing. But that's why Elliott wave, that's why it's my favorite tool for analysis, is because you can project multiple different scenarios, understand different key levels, and see what's going to happen. If one thing doesn't check out one way, or a count gets invalidated one way, then you move on to your next count. So that's why Elliott wave is such a powerful analysis tool if you know how to use it and you use it correctly. But anyways, that's kind of what I see right now. And again, and as long as we're below this 27,667 mark, this is the Bitstamp chart, I'm going to assume that we do have a 4 wave in, whether it be some sort of a ending diagonal, or whether it be a larger 4 wave correction and now an impulsive breakdown in our final 5th wave. There is still one more scenario where we could run the highs, which would be a 1, 2, 3, and then this would be basically an A, and then a B, and then a C, which would actually take us, this count would actually be a large W here, X here, and then a Y here. Would be technically what you would call that type of chart, because it would be a three wave, and then you would anticipate a three wave down. But we'll see what happens. We'll play it by ear, but as of right now, I believe we have broken down into our fifth, at least here. If not, you know, it is possible that we broke into our fifth here as an ending diagonal. All right, see y'all later.